Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new, and if you're one of my subscribers, a special shout out to you. Welcome everyone to my Christmas 2023 home tour. My video today is part of the Christmas home tour collaboration that is hosted by Antonette Decorating. I will be posting Antonette Decorating's link in the description box down below. You have to go by her channel, check her out, and see all of the awesome content that she has featured. Thank you, Antonette, for hosting this Christmas home tour collaboration. I certainly hope you guys enjoy it. Right now we are in my foyer area, and I have mentioned in some of my previous videos that this year I am really loving the red and green classic Christmas colors. And so that's what I have hoped to achieve here, and I believe I did. So for the tabletop trees, I've had those for quite some time, and I really like tabletop trees. This Merry Christmas sign I picked up from HomeSense in Annapolis, Maryland. And here for this Christmas arrangement, I have some picks that I got from Target and Hobby Lobby. And I thought this turned out really well. So when my guests come in, they can feel the holiday spirit. Now, for my stairs, I decided other people put their garland at the top. Well, you know, I have to be different, guys. I put my garland at the bottom, and I really like the way that this has turned out. So what I've done is I've clustered some ornaments, and the garland was slightly thin, so I put a few greenery picks in there just to make it feel full, make it look full. And so I have a combination of red and green ornaments, some rose gold ornaments, a few poinsettias for that holiday magic feel. So let's go on into my living area. So you guys recall in a previous video, I got those green pillows from Home Goods. Those are Tahari pillows. And the pom-pom throw I got from Pottery Barn. And there's a little gnome nestled down in between there. The Merry and Bright pillow, I believe I got that from Big Lots. But let me show you guys what's really adorable. Look at this. I got this snow globe from QVC last year, and I just thought that was completely adorable. So it lights up, and the little the snow is kind of moving around. So I thought that was really adorable. That's a QVC buy. And you guys saw when I put together this Christmas arrangement in a previous video. So I have a glass vase there, and then I have another glass centered in the middle of that. And so what I've done is I lined the outside of the middle glass. I've lined the outside with ornaments, pine cones, you know, for a festive look. And then inside the glass, I have my Christmas greenery and poinsettias. These are my little Christmas bells. They were my mother's, and I will always keep those. And then here I've included some poinsettias, red, silver, and my vase that I got from Z Gallery. So now we can move on into my dining area. And you guys have seen my Amazon skinny Christmas tree before. And this was my DIY last year. And so I am going to turn the light on in here. I thought this tree turned out rather nicely with the classic Christmas colors. Santa with Rudolph leading the way. And here's another QVC find back there. This little tree, I've included some green ornaments on it, and this lights up every night on time. It's on a timer, so it's not lit right now. And hopefully I'll be able to show you guys this at night, all lit up. And moving over, this is my bar cart area. And now we are in my kitchen area. This was my tiered tray. I was part of an open collab. It's Christmas time tiered tray. And I've nestled that in between my nutcrackers. So I don't keep a lot of decor in my kitchen because this is a functioning kitchen, guys, and I cook. And this is my breakfast bar area. This is my kitchen nook table, and this garland lights up at night as well on a timer. Now we are in my family room area. This is a beautiful silver, gold, and rose gold flocked Christmas tree with little hints of this velvet looking ornaments that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I've clustered some and then some I haven't. Here are some more of my favorite tabletop trees. Here's another little pine cone that had been sprayed spray painted gold, and that was also passed down to me from my mom. Merry Christmas, Mom in heaven. And here are my little Christmas pillows. And I believe I got these from Big Lots. Believe it or not, Big Lots, guys. I can't forget my DIY Christmas 2023. This is the beginner-friendly DIY. So everyone, I hope that you enjoyed watching my Christmas 2023 home tour. I hope that this home tour of Christmas decor has given you some ideas and inspiration for decorating your home for 2023 for the holiday season. I thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. It means so much. And drop a comment down in the description box below. I really would like to know what you think. You guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Happy holidays. Peace.